Thank you, Scott. Where's the bracelet from? I went to a swap meet yesterday, and I bought it from there. Thank you for the roses. Are zebras green? No. They are black and white. Thank you. I'll be 24 in April. All my links are on my Instagram, my Twitter. I look very sad. Honestly, I'm just kind of frustrated with how people act in people's lives. Very immature. My life went a lot better yesterday. What do I look for? I can like separate work from real life. Do I film with friends? I do. Thank you, Tim. Landing strip. That's all I'm gonna say. Her Twitter's Mad Valentine 10. Thank you. What do I like about my job? Everything. Or not really. It's how you perform. Buy Bitcoin. I am not well educated in that, to be honest. Insta handle, it's in my bio. It wouldn't let me like link it directly. Best work story? There's too many. Too many. Can we see the fuzzy socks? They're so warm. Friendly, you probably wouldn't comment that with a profile picture or a real name. So I don't want to really hear your opinion. Thank you for the roses. My lips are sweet, thank you. No, my name is Kiwi Babe because it's like an inside joke with myself. Is my Instagram my real name? Yes. You think I'm lame? I don't care. You're telling that to the wrong person. I really don't care. What's my favorite category on the hub? I'm not gonna say. Thank you, Tim. Is my mom single? Yes. You wanna get on my list? No. Not after you've left all the different comments on here. Long time no see, welcome back. Thank you, Texas person. How much do I bench press? I do not work out. I don't. Thank you for the roses. Immature for my age? I try, but these people really test me sometimes. Favorite hobby? I like art sometimes. Yeah, you're blocked. And you're an idiot. I think this is the only live that I've ever truly been tested on before. Thank you. Do I like having a bunch of old creepy guys on here? You're getting blocked too. No, the only thing that like really irritates me in here is when people come in here like trying to trigger me and saying stupid stuff. South Carolina. I've only been to North Carolina. Thank you. Does my mom have a TikTok? No. She doesn't. Hey. It's real they are. My teacher, no. I'm not famous. Thank you for the gift. That one's cute. Where's home? I grew up in Alaska. Yes, my OF is linked on my Twitter and my Instagram. Thank you for the hand heart. How did I start producing content? I don't know. Can you be mod? I'm gonna wait a little bit and see if it gets better. I think I'm done being triggered.